Yeah, welcome back to a new episode of Let's Recreate, episode number 3. And as you can see, I picked my picture of choice for this time. It's from Blade Runner Real World again. And yeah, as always, maximum time is 1 hour. So let's jump right in. So for today I used or I want to use the SSGI version of Blender. As you can see here, we have this screen space ray traced part here instead of screen space reflections. So what I did before is I searched for a Japanese temple, which I found here on TurboSquid. It's for free. If you want to recreate the scene by yourself, you can do this. I will link this one here in the description. So let me import this one here really quick. So that we can get started here, and maybe we need another one, and that is this human. I will choose here my Rust 3D, and I have to scale him down to your normal human size, which is maybe something like 1 meter and 67 centimeters, something like this. Okay, let's leave this temple here in our scene center, and maybe let's put this guy here. And I don't know, but I think that the temple is a little bit too big because the stairs are a little bit too big. And let me change this here really quick. I think the entrance is a little bit too big too, so I think this is better. Okay, let's put this one back here, and let's maybe let's adjust here our camera for now, so we can bring this here into the same point of view, maybe. Let's see, let's go a little bit to the back here, and let's get this temple a little bit into the off. And it looks for me like that is here something like not a bridge, but the street here is a little bit higher than this whole temple stuff. So maybe we will put this a little bit down, and let's see. And maybe we put here a little plane in front of this here, of our guy here, to simulate here this this tiny street or whatever. And okay, I think we have to change here our scene to the same camera ratio, or maybe nearly the same. Let's see, let's go by, oh no, something like this, maybe a little bit, I think maybe it's just guessing here right now, but I think that's cool. And okay, sorry. Let's scale this street here a little bit. Maybe let's rotate this so we can get here these lines here up, and I think we have to shift the camera a little bit so that we have a little bit this top view. And I think now we are getting here somewhere. Yeah, let's put this guy here. Okay, maybe I split here now the screen and then we can work here on this side. Maybe let's make here a subdivision, something like this, and scale, put this one here a little bit into the back. Something like this. Okay, let's go and put this guy here. And I think then we can now block out here the wall, and then we have to create here this yeah, what is it? Yeah, this stuff here. I forget the word here, sorry. What is a fence? Something like a fence. Okay. Shame on me, sorry. Okay, okay, let's go here and create here this wall. Okay, and I think we will only texture this here, yeah, because we have to finish this one here, yeah. So, okay, let's put this a little bit down, and okay, maybe, I don't know where I can get here this, I saw a plugin where, yeah, which can create this something like this really easy. Let me see. Rock, no. Okay, it's let's do this later. Okay, I think we need another cube for these pillars are here. Maybe, oh, sorry, that was the camera view here. And maybe we will put this here and put this one here to the back. So I think something like this is cool. And let's see, maybe we can adjust here our temple a little bit. Maybe let's scale this one a little bit up here. I think we need a little bit bigger temple here right now. So, but yeah, I think that's getting when it's getting darker here, we don't need it's okay that the doors are a little bit bigger, or okay, and now I think we can create here this fence stuff, and yeah, I will do another quick model stuff here. Maybe we'll go here with this. Something like this. Maybe a little bit smaller. And yeah, what I always like to add here a bevel. It's a tiny bevel, but if you nothing in the real world has a really sharp edge, so it's always a good plan to add a tiny bevel here. But I like to do this. Okay, maybe let's put this one here above. Here, something like this. And okay, I think I have to put this here into the scene here, so into the view, so we can see a little bit more of the right scaling, because I think already not the right scaling here. So let's see. Okay, I think this one can get a little bit bigger here. So maybe something like this. And now let's duplicate this one here. Yeah. So something like this. It's cool. And let's duplicate this. Not the temple. Let's duplicate this one here again and make a little bit. Oh, sorry, a little bit shorter. So something like this. Duplicate again. Rotate to 90 degrees. Scale this one and the Z-axis here. And yeah, put this here, a little bit here. I think the bevel is a bit too much here right now, but it's okay. Okay, let's duplicate this one here over this side. And now we have these stuff here on the fence above here. I think I will put the whole thing here into a collection, which is fence upper part. Okay. And the cool thing about this is now, let's see, set origin to geometry. I hope this works. Instance to scene, and now we can't because okay, we can't because the origin is not on this origin to geometry. So okay, and now we can put here our duplicated instance to this here, and maybe we need only some stuff again here to put here a bit in between. So let's see. Okay, let's get rid of this here. And yeah, I think we have to put this here a little bit down, so it's a little bit too high. Let's see here. No. No, no, no. Okay, let's... That was my fault here, so okay. Yeah, let's put this one here in maybe over this here, over there, and let's add a array modifier. And I think we can, oopsie, duplicate this one here. And yeah, let's make it to 18. I think that's good. So okay, and now let's put the whole stuff here into new collection. Okay, I have to select this here, and this, and this, and yeah, fence. Okay, cool. And now let's disable this one. Make instance to scene, and that doesn't work because the fence upper part is not inside. So okay, something weird stuff is going on here now. This is this, and what is this? This is the upper part, or not? This is this one, and what is this now? Okay, that's the okay, fence again. Sorry for that. Fence upper part, which is here now, and the fence. Okay, so and when we do now instance to scene, we have the whole stuff here, which is good. And now we can not rotate because we have to set the origin to geometry. And now we can adjust here fence to the side here. Okay. Maybe let's put this one here. Maybe we can spin the whole stuff to make a little side here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's a little bit too long here right now. Let's scale this here. Oh my gosh. Yeah. But I think for the small amount of time that's okay here right now, so yeah. Okay, let's go with this here. Let's duplicate this one again and put this one here over. And maybe let's put this one here. I think that's okay. Maybe the cube is a little bit oh gosh, it's a little bit too thick here right now, so let's make this to solid so that we can see a little bit more what we are doing here right now. And maybe let's get rid of this one. Sorry. And duplicate this here. And maybe we can duplicate this one here again and yeah, finish this one here right now. Okay. I think we have now all necessary stuff. Yeah, I don't have a rock here right now. Okay, let's see. Turbo Squid again. Let's see for something lower price stuff here. And yeah, maybe I can model here something, but yeah, I want to yeah, I want to make this here as fast as possible, so let's see, free rock here. Oh, it's a Blender file, so maybe I want to save this here really quick before I open this one here. Sorry for that. And let's make here. So here's another scene, and maybe let's create a new one and import OBJ. Free rock here, OBJ. This one is really big. Let's see if we have here some textures right now. That doesn't look like we have here some textures. So let's hit here into rendering and let's see models, free rock, and yeah, now we have here this cool setup, and put this rock into the scene. And yeah, it's a little bit too big, I think. So where do we have here our reference, which is here? So let's go here and put this one right. Okay, maybe we can. No, I think. I think we can get here pretty close. Maybe something like this, maybe a little bit smaller, and let's see, let's put here our fence stuff, and that's all. And now we can put this a little bit over here so that our character can go here, something like this. And this, and I think that's getting better here right now. So maybe let's scale this wall a little bit. And okay, I think that's good for the whole yeah, scene creating. Now we can go and add some textures here. And I think I will start here with materials, sorry, not textures. Textures too, but we want to create materials. So material, it's for me street here right now, so let's go with this and let's see what we have here. Textures, maybe concrete ground. No, I think an asphalt stuff would be cool here. City street, what is it here? That's with road markings, road wet, something like this maybe. But it's only 1K. Asphalt 4K. That's good, but I think we don't have some puddles. Maybe we can create some puddles here. Let's try this. Okay, let's see. Here's our texture right now. I think it's a little bit too big here right now. Maybe we can go with something like this. Let's hit into render mode, but let's enable ambient occlusion, bloom, and screen space ray tracing. But yeah, I think first of all we have to choose here Hdri map, so we can get a little bit of some city vibe here. So maybe let's go with this here. Let's see. And as you can see, the whole scene is a little bit yeah, lightened by the screen space ray tracing. As you can see here in this part, the temple is a little bit lighter, but yeah, I want to increase here a bit the intensity. Maybe, I don't know why the rock is giving us so much light, but yeah, I think that's because this one is not really it's a beater, I think, or something like this, and I think it's not working. I think it's not the final version of this plugin, so to make it short. So I think I will go with this HDRI for now, and I can increase here something like this, but I don't think we need this. But I want what I need is something to reflect here for our street. So what we have to do now is let's make a color ramp here to the roughness, so we can get a little bit here of some reflections, but because it's the whole thing, I think we have to yeah, need a noise texture here, which is there. And let me me see. I think we can we make a mix RGB here right now and put this noise here into the other color channel and maybe let's make here something like this. And let me see, I think I need a color ramp 2 here. And now we can see here we have some wet, some puddles or something. It's not the perfect way to create a puddle here right now, but I think yeah, it's okay for now. So maybe let's see that we can here oh, distortion. No, and yeah, let's see how we can get here something. So maybe on the other wire, on the other side. So let's see. Yeah, but okay. Yeah, I think I made a mistake, but yeah, let's scale this up here and maybe we will go with a multiply. Let's see. Yeah, my mistake is that I don't want puddles should be reflecting or should reflect, and the other ones yeah, that's always okay. That was the wrong one, the wrong idea. Like to do something else. Let's create a gloss BSDF, and we make another shader here. Let's go with some mix shader here, and now we will go here here with the gloss, and now we will use here our noise for the factor, which I think will work a little bit better. So let's see. The roughness is going down here, and maybe we have to put this into the other ones here. It's always trying for me, sorry. So whoa here. And oh, maybe let's put this down here a little bit. Roughness. Oh. What is it here right now? Ay, 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 ay. Okay. Ah, man. I know it's not. It's really easy, but what I'm doing here is a little bit not what it should be. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, maybe we will go with something like this. And if you are yeah, I know that it's really easy to create something like this. Yeah, but I think it's okay for now. As I can see, it's a little bit dark here. Okay. So 20 minutes left. So let's speed this one a little up here. Maybe we will go here with some bricks or something like that. So let me see what we have here and the texture stuff. Maybe let's see. No. No. Tiles. Okay. Okay, let's make it quick, and I think I will go here with these castle stuff. And for now, let's change this here to 90 degrees. And I think it's a little bit too dark. I don't know. Can you see something? It's maybe I will go here with this. So now you can see a little bit better what I'm doing here right now. So yeah, maybe next time I will get more, or I will download more some yeah, some stone wall stuff here. And okay, now I think we have to go here. Maybe let's see what this rock can. Maybe let's increase a little bit the normal map, and here the normal map as well, so that we can see here right now. Yeah, maybe let's add here these brick stuff here on this one too. Let's duplicate this here so we can adjust this on. It's a little bit too big. Well, okay. Let's see. Want to go a little bit bigger here, but not squeezing. So okay, I think that's good, because the whole stuff here in the front should be dark, so it's not really necessary, I think. So and let's put here on our fence a little dark dark material right now, so what is it here right now? So fence here. So let's add here material dark. Let's add this one here. Make it a little bit roughness, and yeah, dark and dark. Yeah, I think there was a way to select all this stuff, and maybe let's pin this for short so we can adjust this one here. I think that's okay. Okay, and now here comes the fun part, which is here some neon stuff. I hope I can create this here in this short amount of time. So let's go here and maybe let's go with the Bezier, hit into the edit mode, and I like to use this one here so I can draw here a line, which is not perfect, I guess. But let's see where this one goes here right now. Let's see here. Here's the line, and I think for the first try it was okay. So yeah, I think these Bezier's working stuff is a little bit, it's always a pain for me. So let's delete the others here, and let's see, let's go here into the geometry, and let's bevel this one here, not too big. I think that's okay here, and let's see, let's put this one here right under the thing here. Let's see. And let's do here neon red, and let's go here with a little bit tint into the pink, which I really like. So let's go into the render mode here right now, and as you can see, it's a little bit yeah, disappears a little bit here, but yeah, I want to use this here. Let's make this a little bit something like this, and yeah, now we are getting here somewhere, I think. So maybe let's duplicate this here really quick, and put this one here in front of this. Remember that you always have to set the origin to your geometry, so it's easier to scale this, and yeah, it's easier. It's easier. So okay, let's put this here a little bit under the ceiling. Oopsie. Wow. Yeah. time pressure. And maybe let's duplicate this one again here. That one is floating here around. Let's get rid of our light here. Duplicate this one again to the z-axis and make it smaller again. Put this one here under the ceiling, or something like this here. I think it will not be perfect here, but yeah, it will do its job, I think. Oh, I hope it will do the job. So okay, maybe it's not. Yeah, I think something like this is good. Let's see. Okay, maybe let's increase the emission strength here right now. So in the upper part, it's not really visible. So let's see, maybe we can adjust this one here a little bit more so that it fits under the ceiling here. So maybe something like this. I was wondering where the blue part is coming from, but yeah, I think I have to duplicate this here right now. So sorry, let's see, and maybe let's put this here on this side. Yeah, as I said, it will not be perfect, but I think it's okay for now. Let's duplicate this one here again. And yes, set origin to geometry. Okay. Yeah. I know. No. Ah. I think this is cool here right now. So this is looking good. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we can add this bluish here, but I really want to focus the last 10 minutes here right now to create these fog stuff, and maybe we can get a little bit more of the reddish here. So let's add really quick here a volume scatter, put this one here, and now we can see nothing. Let's go with 0.1 and something like this here. And yeah, now we need something like a light. So maybe let's do a little trick here, and let's put here a light right behind this temple here, and let's tint this here to red as well, so something like this reddish here, and increase the power. And let's add a contact shadow, and maybe the rust here has no texture in it. That's because he is white now, so don't know why he has this wire texture. So maybe let's tint this one here dark. So one little bit. So okay, and now yeah, now we have here our light. So maybe let's make a custom distance that we don't have this whole fog here. And let's go back to world. Maybe let's see what we can do here. So something like this, and I think we have to add a little bezier here underneath. So, or maybe that's okay, but I think we have to duplicate here now our light, and let's see, where's our light now? Here, no, there's our light. And let's put this one down here, so we get here a little bit of some silhouette style now. And yeah, as you can see here, now we are getting here some cool silhouette stuff. Maybe let's rotate this guy a little bit more to an interesting pose here. So, and yeah, maybe let's get rid here of, no, I think that's cool, our HDRI. So we have here some reflections in the floor, and let's see, maybe let's rotate this one a little bit more. And what we can do now is here, let's add a mix, what is it, a mix shader, sorry, and let's switch for RGB, put this one here into the shader one, and put this one down, and duplicate here this light path, and put the camera ray into the factor. And now yeah, we have a dark background, so maybe we can here tint this one a little bit into the bluish, so we have a cool contrast here right now. And yeah, 53 minutes. So I think let's render this one really quick. So let's enable here these lights, and let's see what is the result here right now. So yeah, the temple has a little bit more detailed, and it's a little bit too big, I think. Yeah, that's let's see, maybe we can adjust this here, Japanese shrine, and let me do a little empty here and put all the bezier here inside, and the Japanese shrine. And maybe let's put this one here a little bit down so we have a little bit more of this top thing. So yeah, we have 5 minutes left, so okay, let's let's go hard here. And I want to no 90 no. So let's put these thing here. Oh, I think that's. Oh, I don't know if this works, but it's not really perfect here right now. Ah. Okay. This one. No, this one and this one here. Put this one down. So. Yeah. Okay, so no. Where is it? Okay. Let's save this, render this image. Yeah. Well, it's a little bit too bright now. 4 minutes. Let's see. That's the background light here, and that's the front light. So maybe let's go with the Bezier, and let's see that we can decrease the emission strength to something like maybe to something like 100 and 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Let's go to color management, and let's see where we can get here with some really high contrast, but I think that's too much. I think we can go with this one here. And why it's so pinky here right now? So let's go a little bit more in the reddish one here, and here again. So another texture, or what is this? Yeah, red. Okay. I think it's okay. Yeah. Yeah. That was the 1 hour recreating of this Blade Runner Real World shot. Yeah, sorry for the shader messing here from the asphalt stuff. Yeah, I will go and learn. No, I really know that's easy to do, but yeah, maybe next time. Okay, I hope you like this one, and yeah, if you have any ideas for some recreation stuff, yeah, hit me on Instagram or send me an email. Yeah, that would be really great if you have something what we can recreate. Yeah, see you next time, and bye bye.